day friends, and welcome back to class. Today we have a factorial question. It says find the factorial of this. You have n factorial over n plus 1 factorial, and b you have n plus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. Now when we talk about factorial, what we are trying to talk about is you are multiplying a particular number in descending order until you get to 1. Something like this. If I have 5 factorial, what it means is that I'm going to multiply 5 by 4 by 3 by 2, and I'll multiply it by 1. So this is what factorial means. You multiply the number in descending order until you get to 1. So if we are to use the same idea for this question up here, now look at this. You have n factorial over n plus 1 all factorial. If I have to express n in factorial, I'll have n times n minus 1 factorial. I don't want to continue multiplying till I get to n minus 1 factorial. So I'll just leave it at this point. Then this one is going to be n plus 1 factorial. No, n plus 1 multiplied by n plus 1 minus 1 is just n. So multiplied by n, then multiplied by n minus 1. And I want to stop it here also. So this and this can cancel out. N here and this can cancel out. And by the end of the day, I will have 1 over n plus 1. So you see, it is very simple to get this. Just follow factorial method and you will get this. Now, if I want to do the same for this, I'm going to have, now expanding this in factorial form is going to be n plus 1 multiplied by n, you see that, multiplied by n minus 1, and maybe multiplied by n minus 2 factorial, all divided by, this second one here is going to be n minus 1, you see that n minus 1, that's this, times n minus 1 minus 1, so I have n minus 2, I'll end it there, n minus 2 factorial, so that this factorial and this can cancel out, this n minus 1 and this can cancel out. I'll now have n plus 1 multiplied by n, so which finally gives me my n into n plus 1. So you see, approaching this factorial, it's very simple. It's very simple to do this. If you have any question, and you can ask on the comment section. Until then, I'll see you in the next class.